What are the penalties for violating intellectual property law in entertainment? In the fast-paced world of entertainment, intellectual property law violations are making headlines. Just this week, discussions have intensified about the penalties for infringing on these laws. As creators and businesses navigate this complex landscape, many are searching for clarity on what happens when these laws are broken. Violations of intellectual property law can lead to serious consequences. Courts have the authority to impose significant financial penalties on those who infringe. In a recent case, a jury awarded Sony $1 billion in statutory damages against an internet service provider for contributory copyright infringement. Although that amount was later vacated, it highlights the potential financial repercussions of such violations. Rights holders in the entertainment industry often pursue civil lawsuits to stop unauthorized use of their works. Courts can issue injunctions to prevent further infringement and may order the destruction or forfeiture of infringing materials. These legal actions can also include claims for lost profits and attorney fees, making the stakes quite high for infringers. In some situations, criminal penalties can apply, especially in cases involving willful infringement on a commercial scale. Such cases may lead to fines and even imprisonment. For instance, large-scale copyright infringement cases have resulted in federal prosecutions and severe penalties, emphasizing the seriousness of these violations. Contractual penalties are also a factor in the entertainment industry. Licensing agreements often include specific penalties for breaches, which can involve financial sanctions or suspension of rights. These contractual remedies aim to prevent unauthorized exploitation of intellectual property and ensure compliance with licensing terms. Regulatory bodies, such as the Federal Trade Commission, may take action as well. They can issue warning letters to companies engaged in unlawful practices related to intellectual property. These warnings can serve as a precursor to lawsuits and encourage prompt corrective action. Beyond legal penalties, infringers risk reputational damage and loss of business opportunities. This can strain industry relationships and have long-term effects on careers and enterprises. In summary, the penalties for violating intellectual property law in entertainment can range from hefty financial damages and civil injunctions to criminal prosecution and regulatory actions. The enforcement of these laws reflects the importance of protecting creative works in this sector.